Fiji is a country in the South Pacific. More than 300 islands comprise it, but only 100 of them are inhabited. A very strong storm hit Fiji. It was one of the strongest storms in the southern hemisphere. The winds blew at speeds of 322 kilometers per hour. People named the storm Winston. It caused great damage to the country as trees, houses, and power lines fell down. 18 people died in this storm. The government is working to make the country safe again, but it will take time. Fiji is very far from land, which makes the situation complicated. People must wait for supplies.